or, is there an additional role that AI can play in, helping to learn and understand our data?
Sure. So there's inputs and there's outputs that AI can really do. So in this side of it, on the analyze standpoint, it can just review everything that's been running. For example, we have a bunch of historical data through integrations with the platforms. Um, Brands would have other data with purchase data and stuff. Well, that computer vision element can help identify the elements and then pull out. You can help pull out what are the consistent elements, but it will also actually type up descriptions of what is this ad or what is this video, what is the tone, what is the keywords in it, what is the product, for example. It can even get to that level with tags, and that makes you move much faster, and you can go feed that into AI that does outputs of generation.
Yeah, and so that the speed component here, that's something I wanted to talk about as well. Like, is that one of the primary, because technically, maybe not with huge mountains of data can a person or a human really effectively kind of pour through that. But in many cases, given enough time, human teams can probably figure out somehow what that one type of offer is working better than another. But is speed one of the things that you would highlight as one of the key benefits of AI, of just like speed of analysis?
Yeah, the algorithms of the platforms are changing every day. It's really supply and demand on purchasing and stuff, and they change things. So you can analyze data quicker, but the other aspect is still the plugging that into future creative and shortening that cycle of being able to go from creation to launching. It's
Yeah.
a much shorter cycle that used to take potentially months for some large brands, from strategy to design to copywriting to approval by five different people within their company. You have to really make this cycle much more concise to be able to react to new events that happen out there in the news that positively impact your product, or if you have an event coming up, or most importantly, like if you're a SaaS company and you have retail, banking, and a couple of other verticals, instead of just doing more general ads, you could move much faster in testing more personalized content for each of those audiences. It could do
Yeah.
the other thing too, Greg, I want to mention is localization becomes much easier with AI. One is you can pull in data of if you're running a campaign in a specific geography. Well, AI on the other side can easily go add in, you know, localized cities, things in that area, images potentially of that city to the content much, much faster than historically where you'd have to go do it manually.